Okay, so what we can do is we can download it together and we also show how it is working. So for installation, we need to download it. We download the latest installer. So I'm installing it on Windows. You can do it directly on Linux. So this is a Windows MSI that I'm going to download and install. Its size is around 40 MB. It is fast to download and install. We'll follow all the default options. So it is saying you may need to restart CMD or PowerShell before using it. So we will open a new PowerShell here. That way we do not need to restart it. So this is the experiment1 README file. So it do not have much content. So for demo purpose only, we can add some random things here, like some dummy paragraphs. Okay, I'm just randomly typing something so that you can see whether things are related or not. Okay, so for conversion, we will use Pandoc followed by a name of file that we want to convert. So in our case, the name of file is experiment1.md. Then for output file, we need to pass -o option and then the name of file, output file. So suppose we want to name it experiment A. Experiment A. In short, I am writing exp8. And in which format we need to convert? So that format should be after dot. So I want to convert it into docx. So then the extension should be docx. If I want to convert it into doc, that also we can do. If I want to convert it into PDF, that we can also do. So you can convert it into docx. And if everything is right, it will not give you any error or output or status message. But if you visit in your directory, you can see there is a experiment file. If we open this file, we should be seeing all the content there. In some cases, images are not there, so we may need to add standalone option. But in most of the cases, it will be beautifully converting over Markdown file, and this can be edited anywhere using Word. So you can use this file to convert your existing report file. Any question, any doubts related?